know what's funnier than a Bollywood celebrity giving interviews? A Bollywood celebrity taking interviews. Because somehow, the moment they switch seats, boom, all the charisma evaporates. They go from charming on screen to please make this end in 3 questions flat. We've got Kajol and Twinkle trying to be the Desi Oprah, Karan Johar turning therapy sessions into gossip rounds, and a bunch of talk shows that feel less like interviews and more like WhatsApp group chats with camera lighting. So today let's talk about why Bollywood celebs have zero interviewing skills and how Simi Garewal, Graham Norton and Sean Evans could school them in 5 minutes flat. Here's the biggest issue. They're too friendly. Kajol interviewing Twinkle is like your two aunties catching up after kitty party. All inside jokes, no insight. They talk with each other, not to the audience. It's like watching two rich cousins bond over shared trauma. Remember that shoot in Switzerland? No, Kajol, we don't because we weren't there. A good interviewer asks questions that make sense outside the friend circle. But Bollywood hosts are too busy proving how close they are. Congrats, you're friends. Now can we get something interesting? Then there's Coffee with Karan, or as I like to call it, gossip with consequences. You don't go there to have a conversation. You go there to be emotionally ambushed with, so, who's the better kisser? Or, have you ever cheated? It's like a therapy session, but your therapist is holding a rapid-fire card. Karan isn't trying to get to know you, he's trying to trend. Which is great for memes, but terrible for meaning. Because instead of opening up, every guest turns into a PR robot. I love all my co-stars. No, I'm single. Next question, please. It's viral, yes, but it's not interviewing, it's instigating. Now let's come to Kajol and Twinkle's Too Much. A show so chaotic, even the internet couldn't decide if it was feminist or just funny. In one clip, they said emotional cheating is worse and that physical cheating is just diversity. Kajol giggled, "Raat gayi, baat gayi." And the audience collectively said, "Baat gayi? Bhai respect bhi gayi." Then came the actors work harder than 9 to 5 employees line. Which sounds great until you realize your audience is the 9 to 5 employee. The problem isn't that they said something wrong. It's that they didn't know how to handle it. A good interviewer would have paused, reframed, added context. Kajol and Twinkle? They just doubled down with another joke. Now before chaos became content, there was Simi Garewal. White outfit, calm voice, killer questions. She made Rendezvous iconic without shouting, sipping coffee or trauma-baiting her guests. She actually listened. No gossip, no games. Just quiet confidence and deep curiosity. When Simi spoke to Rekha, you could hear the air hum. When she asked Ratan Tata about love, he blushed. That's the power of restraint. Something Bollywood hosts haven't discovered since 2001. Meanwhile, in Hollywood, Graham Norton juggles 6 celebs on one couch, makes them roast each other and still keeps it classy. Sean Evans makes people cry while eating hot wings. And Nardwuar literally brings receipts from 1993, leaving artists speechless. Like, how do you even know that? These hosts prepare. Bollywood hosts perform. And that's the difference between a conversation and content. At the end of the day, Bollywood's talk shows have become PR playgrounds, where everyone's either too scared to offend or too desperate to go viral. They mistake friendship for chemistry, gossip for depth, and noise for charisma. But real interviewing? That's about listening, empathy, and curiosity. 3 things you can't fake with good lighting. So next time you see a celebrity holding a mic, ask yourself, are they interviewing or just talking to themselves with witnesses? Because until Bollywood learns that asking questions is harder than answering them, we'll keep getting shows that are high on glamour and low on substance. Now tell me in the comments who's your favorite talk show host of all time and which Bollywood one made you die of second-hand embarrassment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next episode.